Sparky Sparks here. Okay, we're going to talk about my favorite drink, especially for the holidays. So I don't drink, and I attend a lot of functions and a lot of parties. So a lot of people have chosen, to kind of cut back or maybe eliminate alcohol altogether. So I have a solution for you, and you'll look just as festive as everybody else. I call this a Sparky Tini, and this is how we're going to make it. Fill up a martini glass, a pretty martini glass, and you can just fill it with regular water. We're just going to put regular water in it. And this will get the glass really cold and chilled and frosty, like a martini glass. Once it's cold, and I actually keep these in my freezer so that when I have company over, I have my special drink. Pour out the water. Now we have a nice frosty glass. We're gonna add sparkling water. And this can be from the gun if you're at a bar or a restaurant, or I like Liquid Death. Their sparkling water is amazing. This is just water, but it really looks cool. So I drink this when I'm out on the lake. We fill it with sparkling water, and then I like to add 3 olives, and I always request 3 olives on a stick. So this doesn't look like a child's drink. This looks like a really grown-up person's drink. Now, this is called a Sparky Tini. Now, if I want it naughty, I add a little bit of olive juice. So I just take a little teaspoon, and I will just float a little bit of olive juice in there, and it makes it bubble up a little bit more. But it's a great drink, great festive drink. And as I'm drinking my Sparky Tini, as it gets low, I add some extra water. And usually the comment is, strong, isn't it? And my response, very. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.